Heading down the aft engine room, and we come down these stairs in the aft engine room. Over settling tanks, port side propeller shaft, the reduction gears that would come down into the shaft. Who remembers working down there, gentlemen? All my machinist mates who worked with me in the aft engine room. There's turbine number 3, low pressure. Working on all them. Here's where the wheel king was. The engine room spaces, the mat. Coming over, give you the layout of the controls of the engines. Main steam line. Over on 3 LP low pressure turbine. Fire main. Coming in the control board. Number 1. I think this is starboard. Just give you guys an idea. The aft engine room still looks like it's in good shape. I remember having to take up all these panels. Cross compound turbine. Stern throttle. Remember, have to watch these gauges all the time, being on watch down here. There's Lori up there. Coming over to the reduction gears. I think this is port side reduction gears into the main shaft. Cat steam. Low pressure turbine again on port side. I just want to give you guys a video. It looks good. Unreal. Who remembers this? Joe Lee, Mark Parrington, Jerry Skaggs, Will Hare, McNichol, Joe Lee, Jeff Thomas.